Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we'll write a JavaScript program to divide an array into two parts based on the positions of elements and compute their sums. For example, given the array 1, 3, 6, 2, 5, and 10, the output will be 14 and 18. The problem requires us to split an array into two groups. Elements at even indices belong to one group, and elements at odd indices belong to the other. Finally, we compute the sums of these groups and return them in an array. This is the JavaScript implementation for calculating alternate sums. We initialize an array to store the two sums. As we iterate through the input array, elements at odd indices are added to the second sum, and elements at even indices are added to the first sum. The program follows these steps. First, we initialize a result array with two elements. Second, we traverse the input array using a loop. Third, we add values to the respective sums based on the index parity. And finally, we return the final sums as an array. In this example, the input array is 1, 3, 6, 2, 5, and 10. The program separates the elements into two parts. Part 1 with even indices 1, 6, and 5. Part 2 with odd indices 3, 2, and 10. The sums are 14 and 8 respectively. For this case, all elements in the array are equal. The program divides them evenly, resulting in sums of 12 for both parts. The ES6 version leverages modern syntax, such as arrow functions and the for each method. This approach improves code readability while maintaining the same logic. To summarize, this program effectively splits an array into two parts based on the position of elements and computes their sums. It uses simple loops or modern JavaScript methods to achieve the desired result. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I will see you in the next one.